So the surface that I'm working on here is a piece of very heavy paper that's been gessoed with acrylic gesso. Now I'm going to try to see what happens using the big round brush. And I've mixed up a color that's mostly black, but it has a little violet and a little bit of red in it. Of course, the weight that you put onto the brush is critical. And the nice thing about working this way is it records the pressure that you're putting on the brush. Now I'm going to kind of get rid of that. As I wipe over it, some of the red that was in the color which didn't show up when I put it on just with the brush is showing up in the erasure. And I talk about how taking off is as important as putting on, and what interesting effects frequently come when you take the paint off as well as you put it on. So I'm getting some nice color in there, which is unexpected. Now I'm going to use a round brush, not a small one, but a soft sable one. And again, I'm dipping it in this medium to help to make it more liquid. The medium that I like to use is 1 part stand oil to about 7 parts of paint thinner. Because I have the drawing underneath, I'm free to create whatever kind of brush strokes seem to fit the occasion. Each hit that I do will have a different look, different expression of the face, and therefore a different expression in the painting. Now I'm doing that as line, but I can also spread it out so that the line becomes an area of tonality. At this point, most of the effect of the the painting comes through a certain amount of transparency. When you use a medium like a Stand Oil medium, it tends to make the paint more transparent than if you use it just straight on. We also have the smaller round brush here, which again I'm going to dip in the medium. I'm going to put black paint on it. I'm going to wipe some of the excess paint off it because I want a finer line. Notice the quicker I move my hand, the more the line that I'm making flows. And so forth and so on, and that's how the painting develops.